today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a frame in Canva. This is a quick skill that can make your designs look more polished, especially when you need the content to face the other direction or when you want to mirror an element for a layout. To start, you need to make sure the frame is not empty. In Canva, the flip option will only appear when there is an image or video placed inside the frame. So before you try to flip anything, take a moment to place your media into the frame. You can do this by selecting a frame that you already have on your canvas, then adding an image or video into it, depending on what you are working with. This step matters because the frame must have something inside for Canva to know what exactly you want to flip. Once your image or video is inside the frame, you are ready for the actual flip action. Now click on the frame itself. Make sure you are selecting the frame boundary, not just clicking on empty space around it. When the frame is selected, Canva will highlight it and show the controls connected to that element. This selection step is important because the flip option is tied to the selected frame, not to the rest of your design. After you select the frame, look up at the top toolbar. In Canva, many editing tools appear in that top area when you have an element selected. Find the option labeled Flip. It may be grouped with other transform or arrangement tools, but it will be in the top toolbar area once the frame is active. Click on Flip when you see it. This opens the choices you need to mirror the frame in the direction you want. From here, you will see two main options, flip horizontal and flip vertical. Choose flip horizontal if you want the frame to mirror left or right. For example, this is useful when you want text or subject to face the opposite direction, or when you want a reflection style effect across a vertical axis. To apply it, click flip horizontal and pay attention to how the image or video updates inside the frame. You should see the content immediately reflect in place, while the frame stays in the same position on your Canva. If instead you need to mirror the frame top to bottom, you will use flip vertical. This option flips the content vertically, meaning it mirrors from top to bottom across a horizontal axis. This can be helpful when you are creating symmetrical layouts, adjusting how an element fits into a design, or aligning the look of something with other flipped content. To use it, select flip vertical and watch the result appear in the frame right away. Like with the horizontal flip, the frame itself remains where it is, and only the content inside is mirrored. Once you choose the correct option, take a brief moment to confirm that everything looks right. Check the orientation of the subject or the direction of any text inside the frame. Make sure the flipped result matches what you are aiming for in your design. If it does not, you can return to the flip menu and try the other option, or flip again depending on what you need. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.